Worm castings, an organic soil amendment and fertilizer. It is odor-free. It is a natural pesticide and fungicide. It increases soil water retention. It improves soil structure. Worm castings create stronger and healthier plants. Before planting seeds or seedlings, evenly spread 1 gallon of castings per 30 square feet of garden area. Work the castings 2-inch deep into the garden soil and then thoroughly saturate with water to flush the microorganisms and minerals into the garden soil. For transplanting seedlings and potted plants, dig a hole 3 times the size of a potted plant or seedling. Put 1 large handful of worm castings into the hole. If the plant is in a non-plantable pot, remove the plant from its container and place the plant on the castings at the bottom of the hole. If the plant is in a plantable pot, simply place the plant on the castings at the bottom of the hole. Fill the remainder of the hole with garden soil that has been mixed with worm castings and water thoroughly. Mid-season or in July, work more worm castings into the soil around each plant and water thoroughly.